Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Enable developer options and USB debugging so the host can talk to it. Once done, install ADB or your Sideload utility on your computer and connect the device by USB or Wi-Fi. Make sure to run a DB devices to confirm a connection. Also backup app data and note the app package name plus the current version code, because you'll need that info when replacing or reinstalling the Sideloaded package later. You now rebuild or obtain the updated APK/AAB, making any code or manifest changes. Increment the version code if required so the system treats it as an update. Once built, sign the package with the original key if possible. If not, you can install with ADB using a DB install RD path. Apt to replace and allow downgrades when necessary. Make sure to stop the running app before installation and watch the ADB output for install success or error codes to understand what to fix next. You finish by clearing app cache or data, or simply reboot the device to ensure no stale state remains. Then launch the app and exercise core flows to confirm functionality. Make sure to monitor Logcat for runtime exceptions or permission denials so you can target fixes quickly. If the update fails, try uninstalling the Sideloaded app, then reinstall. If you see signature errors, re-sign with the original key or restore the previous build key. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.